This your car. That's why I like you. Huh? This bag, this hotel, this bag is
Your
just.
Range Rover Sport is not here yet.
This, hello? Who is here that is supposed to help me and carry this bag? This is this kind of these hotels in this country. You see, concierge, receptionist. There's nobody. See, this is what I don't like about this country. I told you I don't want to come back to this country. Concierge, receptionist. Somebody is supposed to help you and carry the bag as soon as you come out of the hotel like this. All the hotels around the world I go to, Toronto, especially Oklahoma, Peru. Oh my hand is just paining me after all this hard work. Who is here? Look at this one. I'm shouting here and this one is busy. You're busy washing car. Are you not the one that's supposed to... Hello? You don't hear me they shout things for here?
This is my work. I'm not working. They'll tell me I wash car for you now.
This is not how to treat customers. After all the hotels I go around the world, nobody, when you come out, somebody come and help you. I carry this thing.
I'm not part of people that I see. This hotel.
Who is working here?
I don't know. I'm washing car.
Call the manager. Call the manager has to come out here.
Well, I don't know the manager. I'm not just the wash car for you now. Now, also me, I the hustle for you now.
You're hustling for here. Look at this one. No one. Did you go to school?
I go school.
Which school did you go to?
Methodist girls.
What kind of school is?
Okay, when you go, wait till down. I tell you what for you.
If you went to school, you will not be doing this kind of job that you're doing.
Well, how I got a beautiful.
Come and carry this thing.
Excuse me, sir. You talk to me in a polite way.
What's
wrong with you?
Hey,
carry this thing.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, I don't like us guys. Now, for that time, sir, go help us carry. I don't like us guys. Where the Range Rover? Where we want to put it?
Let's go.
See, I beg you, wait, okay, but Oga, you don't go fit go. Although you don't go fit go. I mean, they clean that 7,000 naira room.
Shut up! Shut up!
I know say about
You don't know where?
I know say about well.
What do you mean? You do that.
Oh, we have to
Hey, police.
we have to record that ultimate setting.
This not there for room.
Hey! Okay.
Give me my bag.
Okay. You be carpenter.
Me, I mean, simple as here.
Ah!
Me, I mean, simple as here.
Simple as that.
Yes, I am.
No, you don't get money.
Oga, I tell you say we will buy another plug for this car.
Where have you been?
He just dey stop for road now. He dey stop me today. Oh. He dey stop.
My friend, let's go. Let's get out from this place. What's this one they are doing now?
Oga, it's the plug. Oh. He don't stop again.
Oh my God. Concede! I bet I'm gonna help me push this car now.
God will punish you.
Original mumu